driver dangerously cut across two lanes, nearly hitting the dashcam owner's car, and then brake checks him.
This is crazy. Do you care if I go on this side for right now?
Something you don't see every day. 3 narrowly missing hitting an SUV.
Oh my gosh.
This driver came across an angry guy who brake checked him for no reason.
Retarded?
Watch the whole thing if you like. Just go to the Alanis Morissette socials or PBS.
Oh!
Streaming that. Lots of other performances.
Oh, he did that shit on purpose too.
Tucker, stuff like that.
Because that truck cut him off.
No choice.
He's got a pull
No, it's a close one. I saw it. Ooh.
This biker witnessed a motorcycle crash. What do you think? Who is in wrong here? While commuting in his car, this driver recorded a few unusual clips.
Oh, school buses getting pulled over today? What's up with that? They have like a yeah, let's get the school buses. What? This guy on the phone. Look at that. On the phone. On the phone. Bam. What the hell? So when you ask me about it, I could always say, yeah, you know, it wasn't that.
Unfortunately, this biker made a mistake and ended up in wrong lane. Luckily, he was okay, but his bike was toe-tailed.
Sit down. Oh my gosh. Stay down. Don't get up. Hold on. Stay down. Don't get up.
Was I in the wrong road?
Yes. Okay. Just chill for a sec.
I never took this road before.
Okay.
That was a no-go.
Can you close your eyes for me? Keep them closed for a second. Okay. Open them up. Okay. Both your eyes are dilated. That's good. Can I take your helmet off?
Yep.
Dude, holy Christ.
Both your hands.
Walk me back. Thank you. Jesus.
Does it feel like anything is broken?
I'm alive.
Your bank account as soon as tomorrow, as our lenders have millions of dollars to lend. A checking account and a regular income. Go to 45cash.com and you can get the loan.
BMW driver spins out on highway and luckily manages to not crash. This driver got forced out of the lane. This tracker recorded a bunch of bad drivers. Take a look.
The first left.
Road rager intentionally backs up into a truck. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.